last time we were here was about the restoration and the past.
Today, it's all about opening the doors to the future. Welcome to Palm Springs.
So John, the last time we were here was last May. This place did not look like this. There was scaffolding everywhere. There was no air conditioning. There were skill saws going. There were people painting. There were people moving things. There was no floor on the main floor of the theater. We've come a long way, and look at this place.
Wow, yes, look at this place. I mean, can you believe this is the way it looked in 1936, restored to its original beauty? Amazing.
I know that the 89-year-old celebration was December 1st to the 12th.
Yes.
And I know that Cynthia Erivo was one of those who kicked it all off. Talk to me a little bit about how that 12-day celebration went and what's common.
Yeah, well, it started, a few days before that with our, community open house and everybody performing on stage. And then, of course, we were graced on this stage by the incomparable Cynthia Erivo. And it was truly one of the best concerts I've ever seen in my life. It was so amazing, so unique. And in this little space to see her powerful voice with a microphone and without a microphone, if you recall, she really showed off the sound of this beautiful, beautiful spots. All throughout December, all those magical moments, all the way through New Year's Eve. I mean, it was an amazing month of December and so many shows and so many exciting opportunities for people to see this amazing place. Next season is coming up. So, over the last several weeks, we've announced lots of new shows. Every Monday between now and the end of April, we'll be announcing more new shows for next season. So we encourage everybody to take a look at what's going on now, but then look forward to the future as well and, get those seats so you can be part of the season next year.
Let's talk a little bit about, the renovation. You raised nearly $35 million to get that done, but now we're in the next stage. And, I understand there's a partnership between the Oakview Group, the Palm Springs Plaza Theatre Foundation, and the City of Palm Springs. So with all that, how can we really help in terms of making sure that this theater keeps with the traditions it's had for such a long time?
Well, I think first and foremost is for people to buy tickets. We, look forward to having people support becoming an annual member of the Plaza Theater because ticket sales don't cover all the operating expenses here. We work very hard to offer, nonprofit rental rates to our resident user groups that use the facility. So we're looking for, of course, ongoing funding to do that. And more importantly, we're looking for people to sponsor shows. To help us elevate the programming on an annual basis. A, buy tickets, but B, help us sponsor some of those shows. Put your name, hey, generously sponsored by John Bolton. How amazing is that to have your name here on the curtain to sponsor some of our shows? I'd love to give you a tour. Just follow me and we'll get started.
Wonderful, that's great. The last time we were in this place, there was no air conditioning, there was no floor below us, there was scaffolding everywhere, there were skill saws going off, and to see the transformation of this place into where it is today is magical.
Really, it's magical and it's astounding. From the star-covered ceiling to the amazing way they've opened up. It was all behind. You could never see this archway before. Definitely a destination spot. You've got to put it on your travel plans. This is the place to be. All kinds of world-class performance. Please come check it out. Donate to it. Be a part of our community and experience something that's a part of the heartbeat of Palm Springs.